What if the most powerful food for staying strong in your 70s isn't in your fridge, but has been hidden in plain sight, waiting in your pantry all along? For decades, we were told muscle loss after 70 was just an inevitable fact of aging, a slow, helpless decline into frailty. But new science is revealing a different path, one powered not by expensive supplements, but by nature's own tiny powerhouses. Today, we're revealing 5 specific seeds that contain unique compounds to help preserve and rebuild muscle mass as we age. The number 1 pick isn't just effective. It operates on your muscles in a way that truly changes the game for seniors. The 5 seeds for muscle vitality. Let's begin with number 5. This golden seed was treasured by ancient warriors for stamina, and modern research confirms its value for aging bodies. 5. Sunflower seeds. Think of them as cellular armor. They're loaded with vitamin E, a potent antioxidant that specifically shields aging muscle fibers from the oxidative stress that accelerates decline. A single ounce provides a solid protein punch along with selenium, a mineral clinically shown to aid muscle recovery and calm inflammation in older adults. The best part? Simply sprinkle a handful on salads or enjoy them as a snack to harness these protective benefits daily. 4. Hemp seeds. Number 4 brings us a complete plant protein that's remarkably easy to digest. Unlike most plant sources, hemp seeds deliver all 9 essential amino acids your body needs to repair muscle tissue. For seniors, this complete, gentle protein can be a cornerstone for maintenance. Studies indicate its unique protein profile can stimulate muscle synthesis nearly as well as some animal proteins. It's also rich in arginine, which improves blood flow, delivering more nutrients to muscles. Stir 2 tablespoons into your morning oatmeal or smoothie. 3. Pumpkin seeds. Now, prepare for our third entry, which holds a surprising secret for activating dormant muscle potential. Often overlooked, these green gems are a magnesium and leucine powerhouse. Magnesium is crucial for proper muscle contraction and preventing cramps, while leucine is the master switch that directly signals your body to build new muscle protein. Research in older adults shows that leucine-rich foods are key to counteracting sarcopenia. A small serving can make a significant difference. 2. Chia seeds. We're halfway there, but what about recovery? That's where number 2 excels. These tiny seeds are giants for post-activity recovery. They pack omega-3 fatty acids that reduce exercise-induced inflammation, helping your muscles bounce back stronger. They also offer a complete protein profile alongside minerals like calcium and phosphorus for bone support, a critical combo for active seniors. Soak them to make a pudding or blend them into drinks for a daily recovery boost. 1. Quinoa. And now, the number 1 seed for muscle vitality after 70. This ancient pseudo-grain was called the mother of all grains by the Incas for its sustaining power. It stands apart as one of the most balanced plant proteins on Earth. A cooked half cup provides all essential amino acids, particularly leucine, which is vital for muscle repair and tissue growth. Clinical trials have found that quinoa protein can support lean muscle mass and metabolic health in older individuals as effectively as some traditional options. Its unique blend of saponins and flavonoids further aids in reducing muscle soreness. Replace your usual grains with quinoa at meals for a steady supply of building blocks. Your next step. If you could add just one of these seeds to your diet starting tomorrow, which would it be? Tell us in the comments below. We read every single one. Strength isn't about age. It's about the fuel you choose. For more insights into turning simple foods into powerful medicine for longevity, make sure you like this video and subscribe to Healthy Lifestyle. Your journey to a stronger, more vibrant you continues here.